core usage of intent data is to enable you to significantly enhance the effectiveness of your other channels in performance. Let me give you an example. Here I've got an organization where you can see way back here, we started to see some intent signals around G2, some website visits and all of that. And through those programs, we eventually drove to really using our paid social engagement, in this case through LinkedIn, to drive engagement with this organization. And maybe a little easier to see here in our AI summary. You can see here that through G2, we actually got some initial visits, and we then drove them to paid social and sales outreach, which then got us to a significant amount of engagement, really enhancing and using intent to make sure that the paid social engagements were really optimized. And here's another example. We're early in their buyer journey. We saw some Bombora intent around analytics and reporting and marketing ROI, which then drove us to execute a lot of other programs. And again, I'm going to show the AI summary here. It's a little easier to understand the buyer journey, where you can see that we saw some sporadic engagement, or up here we saw intent data surging on Bombora, then some online reviews through G2, also intent, some organic searches, which then allowed us to start driving toward deeper engagement and driving toward usage of some of our other channels and programs, and in this case, our performance marketing programs.